Foldable phone technology is evolving fast, blending futuristic design with top-tier performance. These aren't just novelties anymore, they're power-packed devices with flagship specs, cutting-edge displays, and versatility that challenges traditional smartphones. Whether you're a multitasking pro, a content consumer, or just love having the latest innovation in your pocket, there's a foldable out there for you. In this video, we're breaking down the 5 best foldable phones you can buy in 2026, showcasing their strengths, features, and what sets each one apart. For product links and more information, check out the description box below. Let's dive in. Number 1, Vivo X-Fold 3 Pro. If you're after sheer innovation, the Vivo X-Fold 3 Pro might just steal your heart. This foldable marvel is one of the lightest and slimmest in the game, weighing only 236 grams and just 5.2 millimeters thin when folded. But don't let the sleekness fool you, it's a performance beast. Open it up and you're greeted by a stunning 8.03-inch AMOLED inner display with a cinematic 4:3 aspect ratio. Whether you're binge-watching or editing photos, the immersive experience is top-tier. On the outside, there's a vibrant 6.53-inch AMOLED cover screen, both supporting HDR10+ and Dolby Vision for vivid color and contrast. Under the hood, it packs Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, 16GB of RAM, and up to 1TB of storage, perfect for power users. It runs on Android 14 and delivers smooth, lag-free multitasking, gaming, and productivity. Camera-wise, the Vivo doesn't hold back. It features a triple camera system, 50MP main, 50MP ultra-wide, and a 64MP periscope telephoto lens. With Vivo's Gemini AI camera tech, your shots come out sharp, clear, and beautifully composed, even in low light. A massive 5,700 mAh battery keeps it going strong, and 100W wired charging fills it up in under 45 minutes. The downside? Limited availability outside of China and India, and slightly behind on software updates. But if you can get your hands on one, it's a premium foldable that truly delivers. Number 2, OnePlus Open. Meet the OnePlus Open, a bold and stylish contender that brings performance, elegance, and smart multitasking into a foldable form factor. This phone features a 7.82-inch Flexi Fluid AMOLED inner display and a 6.31-inch AMOLED outer screen, both with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, offering a fluid and responsive experience no matter how you use it. Weighing just 239 grams, it strikes a perfect balance between portability and performance. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, paired with 16GB of RAM using RAM Vita tech, the OnePlus Open delivers excellent performance across the board, from gaming to creative work. Storage options go up to 1TB, and it's packed with smart photography tools like AI Eraser and AI Smart Cutout, helping you perfect your shots effortlessly. Its Hasselblad-tuned triple rear camera system includes a 48MP main, 64MP telephoto with 3x optical zoom, and 48MP ultra-wide. The dual front-facing cameras, 32MP and 20MP, ensure high-quality selfies and video calls. Battery life is solid with a 4,805 mAh battery, and 67W fast charging gets you to 50% in just 15 minutes. At around $1,699, the OnePlus Open offers flagship quality at a slightly more affordable price, a solid all-rounder in the foldable market. Number 3, Honor Magic V3. If ultra-thin is your vibe, the Honor Magic V3 will blow you away. At just 9.2 millimeters thick, it's one of the slimmest foldables ever made, and it doesn't compromise on power. Its 7.92-inch primary AMOLED and 6.43-inch OLED cover display both support adaptive refresh rates from 1 Hz to 120 Hz, ensuring smooth visuals and energy efficiency. It runs on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, with up to 16GB RAM and 1TB storage, so performance is top-notch. Despite its compact size, it houses a 5,150 mAh battery, which supports 66W fast charging, not the longest lasting, but enough to get you through a full day with smart usage. On the camera front, the Magic V3 is no slouch. It features a 50MP main, 50MP secondary, and a 40MP ultra-wide camera setup that captures vivid images even in challenging lighting. It also brings in AI tools like Magic Portal, AI Photo Eraser, and Honor Notes for business users. Weighing just 226 grams, it's the lightest foldable on this list and feels as premium as it performs. Pricing is around $1,699, making it a compelling option for those who want power, portability, and elegance in one device. Number 4, Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Google's second-generation foldable, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold, elevates design and software integration to new heights. Wrapped in a premium metal body with polished hinges, this device looks as good as it performs. Both the internal and external OLED displays deliver 120Hz refresh rates and an impressive 2700 nits of brightness, perfect for outdoor visibility. Powered by Google's Tensor G4 chip, along with 16GB of RAM and up to 1TB of storage, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold handles multitasking, AI features, and creative work effortlessly. Battery life is handled by a 4650 mAh cell, decent, though not class-leading. It runs Android 14 with deep optimization for folding screens, including tablet-style UI, app pairing, and a taskbar for multitasking. Google's AI features, including Gemini AI, integrate seamlessly throughout the system. The camera package includes a 48MP main sensor, ultra-wide, and telephoto lenses. It's not as feature-rich as the Pixel 9 Pro slab, but still delivers sharp, natural shots with pixel-style processing. Starting at $1,800, it's a premium productivity powerhouse, and with 7 years of software updates, it offers unmatched long-term value for Android lovers. Number 5, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Last, but definitely not least, Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 6 remains a benchmark in the foldable space, combining refined hardware, advanced features, and a polished software ecosystem. Unfold it, and you get a vibrant 7.6-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display, backed by 120Hz refresh rate and Gorilla Glass Victus 2 for durability. The 6.3-inch cover screen is great for quick tasks, calls, and messages. Inside, it's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, with 12GB RAM and up to 1TB storage. The 4400 mAh battery is smaller than competitors, but smart power optimization gives you 8 to 10 hours of moderate use. Its triple rear camera setup features a 50MP main, 12MP ultra-wide, and 10MP telephoto, along with an under-display selfie cam. Low-light performance is impressive, and image quality is among the best. Multitasking is made easy with Flex Mode, app continuity, and S Pen compatibility, turning the Fold 6 into a true productivity machine. The base model starts at $1,899, steep, but you're paying for reliability, polish, and years of refinement. So there you have it, the top 5 foldable phones of 2026. Whether you're drawn to the slim elegance of the Honor Magic V3, the raw power of the Vivo X-Fold 3 Pro, or the software smarts of Google and Samsung, there's a foldable phone for every kind of user. Which one would you pick? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget, all the product links are in the description below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the Review Revolt, and hit that bell icon so you never miss our latest reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.